Baka khadway tarik NOHPRAH arhajar arpaway, MYNTRI ka TNAT ka KOIT ka KHIAH, James PK SANGMA, IAKREN bat kilat PATHAI KHUBOR, ulaong baka SORKAR Jylla kalong, Kaba La Pynkhreh ka bayadey bat ka Jingsaphriang Omicron variant, JONG ka KHLAM coronavirus ha Meghalaya. James SANGMA ulayat ho baka SORKAR Meghalaya kalanang penklanya ki Jakarung ne ki entry point hakal lengga Jylla khanang ba on la ban pet perman bat but dia ni ki briu ki ba wan na ki wei pat ki Jylla ne ki wei pat ki ri ki bala ban Jingsaphriang yau Omicron variant hapo ke Jylla. Shushu ulayat ho baka SORKAR Jylla kandang yai penklan bat yai beteng ya ka jing ai tika ya baro kitu ki nongsong snong ka Jylla ki ba pat shimla ai ya katika ka ban ningkong bat ka baar khanang ba on la ban khang la ya ka Jingsaphriang uteu khunyang jingpang hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya.
We are being very vigilant about Omicron and the possibility of it coming to the state of Meghalaya. And we are taking precautions. All the protocols which have been in place, they are being enforced, and we are also monitoring the entry points for those people who are coming into the state, so that any kind of spread from visitors can be avoided. And at the same time, we are also going on a vaccination drive in a with a renewed vigor, to ensure that we increase our vaccine cover, not just for single doses but for both the doses. And we hope that Omicron will not have that kind of an impact in Meghalaya, but yet we are preparing for any kind of scenario that may emerge.